Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video we'll be looking on Skye and her pups. Guys, today we're gonna do a continuation from yesterday where we saw Skye nursing her pups. So most day before they actually get their meal, they would nurse from Skye. So we're gonna show you the process of when we give them their meal and how quickly they eat it, as well as just, you know, their diet. So now we're seeing where they are nursing from Skye. Skye stands still and allows them to nurse. She doesn't move about, she just stays in one place while they nurse. After that, now we're seeing this is Skye plate. It was full than that, it was full. However, Chase had some to eat, and that was the puppy's plate. So you see puppy plate bigger than Skye plate, so the man have enough food, don't it? So you see, as usual, we give Skye her meal first. Puppies go to trouble and Skye rush them as usual. So anyway guys, look on them and eat them food. The first one you notice the food eat and him all over it. Next one realize everybody are running for me now, see? Everybody are running for them share. And I tell me to say I'll tail in the water, because they no business all them catch up. And just want to know so them might eat some food. Watch it. Yeah guys. Yeah, by your queen, them are done. You watch Skye. Like she hurry up, like it's a race. And it's on. Let's see who's gonna win this race. Who first I go finish eat? Who you think I go finish eat first? The puppies or Skye? Remember, you know, Skye had the advantage because she first got her meal. But there are 5 puppies. So let's see who's gonna win. Is it Skye? Is it Chase? Is it the pups? Type your comment, your answer in the comment section below. But we have a few more minutes and then the winner will be revealed. Skye finished first. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time videos drop. Goodbye, adios.